Hello friends, welcome to Fun Drawing with Piyali. Here we show you different type of drawing with fun and easy way. So if you want to learn drawing in a fun and easy way with fun facts, then subscribe to our channel. Now let's start with today's topic. So my cute friends, today we will enjoy coloring Princess Cinderella and Princess Ariel from our Fairy Tale Princess series. So while we color this, let's know some fun facts. Number 1. The very first Cinderella story was told in 1st century BC, that time ago. The first time a story about Cinderella was ever told was all the way back in 1st century BC. The story has been told and retold thousands of times with details changing all over the place. Number 2. Once upon a time, Cinderella's slippers were actually made of gold and fur and not from glass. Yes, in the modern version of the story, that means today, when we hear about Cinderella's story, most people know and love her slippers are made of glass, to hear that. In older version of the story, where she wore slippers made of gold or fur, the story still went the same. She lost one of them and had it returned to her by the prince. Number 3. Cinderella's shoe size. A woman's 4.5. Yes, that tiny Cinderella's tiny delicate foot fit into the slippers without a problem. That is because she is a size 4.5 in shoes and most adult women are around 8.5 on an average. That's too small. Number 4. Disney took the liberty of adding animal characters to the animated film. Jag and Gush were Cinderella's mice friends. Bruno was her dog and Lucifer was her stepmother's evil cat. If Disney as a corporation hadn't taken the liberty of adding these animal characters into the mix, no one would have ever heard of them. Number 5. It's all about the dress. Cinderella's ball gown plays a major role. The classic blue dress is iconic. In the 2013 version, 9 different versions of the dress were created, each using 270 yards of fabric and thousands of Swarovski crystals. Whoa! In the end, 2 were used for the movie. One ball gown for dancing with extra layers to seem even more magical during turns and another for regular shots. Now let's talk about Princess Ariel. Number 6. Ariel is the only Disney princess to become a mom. Yes, in the sequel of the film The Little Mermaid 2, Return to the Sea, Ariel and Eric shares a daughter together named Melody. And while Ariel was desperate to become a human girl to live her life on land with Prince Eric, her daughter wants the opposite. She wanted to be a mermaid. Number 7. Ariel was originally going to have a blonde hair. Due to the release of the Mermaid film Splash around the time of the production, Disney Excess knew they needed to make the character of Ariel different in some way. They decided to give her red hair instead of blonde hair. Number 8. Sebastian was originally going to be a British instead of Jamaican. So Sebastian in the Little Mermaid movie, the worrisome crab, is known for his hilarious concern for Ariel's well-being despite the fact that she is an independent young woman. She is also known for her singing Disney song Kiss the Girl and Under the Sea. It is wild to think that his voice was almost British rather than Jamaican. His Jamaican accent is a huge part of his overall character. Number 9. Ariel is 16-year-old in the first film. Ariel is supposed to be around 16 years old in the first animated film. Other Disney princesses have other ages, of course. Cinderella, for example, is around 19 or 20 years old, while Snow White is like around 14. And the final one, number 10. The blue-green hue of Ariel's fin was specially mixed by the Disney Paint Lab. They called the new color Ariel in her honor. So that was all the 10 fun facts for the day on Disney princesses, Ariel and Cinderella. Now let's enjoy the drawing. Wow, that's fantastic drawing. Thank you, my little friends, for joining in today. And do not forget to subscribe our channel if you like our drawing sessions and you want to learn this fun and easy way of drawing and grow your knowledge with fun facts. We will see you soon with another exciting topic. Till then, stay safe at home. Bye-bye.